Hey everybody, just want to come back and show you all something I've been working on since I've been away. Gonna document this for the books. This is a barbershop that we actually started. A local company in Detroit reached out to me and asked me if I could do some leads for their barbershop, do some campaigns. So far we have a few leads. We have 7 leads for really, if you combine them all, less than $1 a piece. However, we have one campaign where we have 3 at 66 cents per lead and one where we have 4 at $1.23 per lead. And so that you know this isn't a scam, I'm going to hit the refresh button twice and we don't see any changes. So for those of you that are really into the cost per click and everything, you can see here that we've shown the ad to about 637 people. Overall clicks that I've had is 20 on one and 44 on another, for my overall cost per click of 10 cents on one and 11 cents on the other. So this is really good. I'm really excited to see how this is all going to pan out. There's a lot of stuff that I actually know how to do, but I've never done for other businesses. There's a lot of leads I know how to get, but I just never done it for other businesses, and barbershops are one of them. And so I'm happy to see that someone finally reached out so I can do a barbershop campaign so you all can see the results here. So I'm curious to see how many appointments that they book for the promotion that we're running. We're only running this in the city of Detroit, and we're not doing the 5, 10, 15 mile radius. And in the future, I'm going to be doing some more content for some other businesses so that you can understand what your overall cost per appointment should be and your lead costs, and doing Facebook forums versus landing pages and all that. So I got some more content coming up for you, but just wanted to document this so far so y'all see what I'm doing while I'm away. I'll talk to y'all later. Hope y'all are staying safe.